Bokin Bako. Ichiban Taisetsu Neko of the life is to give, לתת, in Hebrew, נתינה, צדקה, tzedek. And our life is much as we can give to our children, to family, to neighbor. It's the most important. When we benkyo no mae, kukin no mae, o inori no mae, neteru no mae, unten no mae. Always we take a coin, we put in charity box to emphasize, to let everybody know that we will continue. All what we do in life is to give, and this giving is power to the Neko.